Hello friends, welcome to my channel Be Logical, and I am Ridoy back with another video, and today I am gonna show you the quick unboxing and features overview looks for the ZT Nubia M2 Lite. I got this one for one of my friends in offer, that is rupees 10,000, and the price is rupees 14,000, and you will get this one rupees 12,499. You can see this one. There is a box. Nubia M2 Lite. What you actually get: octa-core processor, MediaTek processor, and 5.5-inch HDLC display, metal unibody, global roaming, 60 megapixel front camera with flash, moonlight. This is Neo Vision, and 13 megapixel rear camera. Android 6 and Neo Vision, dual light compression, electric something EGF, and this one is the manufacturer is 2017 and import is also April. So this is the box. This one is the black version with gold overview. I will show you this one, what you actually get in the box. This is the first impression for this phone, because I know this one is the something old, not but too old. You can see this one. The phone looks impressive. You can see this one. So I will side this one aside. What will actually get in the box. Here is the phone. Nubia itself is the SIM ejector pin. Here is some start guide, warranty card, and the charger, data cable and charger. Data cable come charger, and this one is the charger Nubia, and this one is a 5-volt charger, and made in China. Ampere is 250 milliampere. So fast, not a fast charging, but do a good one charge. I will aside this one. Here is the phone side. So here is the phone. Looks impressive. You can see this one. Here is the metal unibody. Here is the camera. This is a Sony sensor camera. Here is the front facing camera with moonlight vision, proximity sensor. Here is some headphone jack, maybe. Okay, bottom headphone jack, secondary noise cancellation microphone, maybe. Okay, I will boot up this phone. Here is the SIM ejector pin. You can see this one pin, power button, volume rocker. The looks impressive. You can see this one. So I will open up this phone. Okay, you can see without open up the, you can see this one, volume rocker, metal unibody, gold color finished, and the power button, SIM ejector pin. Here is something on the button, secondary noise cancellation microphone. Here is the fingerprint sensor. You can see this. The color looks impressive. The viewing angle is also very nice. The PPI is not high, but this one is a good one. You can see this. Okay, be yourself. I will open up this one. I look this one. You can see this, how it looks. Okay, I will boot up this phone. So little bit of pause. Here is the phone looks. You can see this. The viewing angle is very good. You can see this one. Here is some. Okay, you can see this. This is the 4GB RAM version MediaTek processor, and I will show you the what will actually get in the settings and show something. Okay, what will actually, this is a 32GB version. You can expand this memory up to 200GB. This is the hybrid SIM slot. You can use this 2 SIM, either 1 SIM or 1 memory card. So I will show you the such looks. This one is the, whenever you press, this is the true sensor is coming out from the light. The phone looks impressive, and ZT brand is known for is the camera. I will show you what will the storage. I will show you the storage. Okay, out of 30GB you will get a 22.46GB. Okay, what will looks and something. Okay, here is the camera sample, flash, auto. Here is some settings, picture mode, something. Okay, face detection, location. There is a little bit shutter speed is very good. I will show you the The speed is very good. Just tap to focus, or will show you the timer is off, and the front camera I will show you this one. You can see this, the front camera look. You can see this, the front camera is also looks good. Now you can see this, the camera. Now you can see this. Camera is very good. Okay. See this one. Camera looks impressive. You can see this one. If you want to buy this product, I will put the product buying links in the description section. You can use this link to buy this product. If you want to ask any question regarding this one, you can ask me. I will put a depth review regarding this one after using this one. I didn't use this one. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it. You can also dislike the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye. Catch you soon in my next session. Bye bye.